Welcome to your Friday weather forecast. On Friday morning, foggy conditions expected over parts of the Northern Cape, the Western Cape, parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, and then lots of fog over the Highveld and the surrounding areas, so please be careful when traveling in those regions. Into the afternoon, we're expecting partly cloudy skies over the central parts of the country, then scattered thunderstorms later possible around the escarpment areas in KwaZulu-Natal, with only a few isolated thunderstorms later possible over parts of Gauteng, Limpopo, over the Highveld, becoming scattered over the extreme southern regions of the Highveld as well as around the escarpment in KwaZulu-Natal, isolated showers and thunderstorms for the rest of KwaZulu-Natal and parts of the Eastern Cape, with drizzle possible around the southern and the western coast due to partly cloudy skies and onshore flow of air and foggy conditions. An excellent PV harvest expected over most parts of the country on Friday. It's only here in parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal where you'll have an average to poor PV harvest at times. Southwesterly winds blowing fresh around the eastern coast with a fresh westerly wind at times in parts of the Northern Cape and the Free State where we have a high fire danger in place, so please be careful. Fresh southerly winds later expected for the western coast with a fresh to strong southerly wind blowing along the coast of our neighbouring country Namibia. In the Western Cape, a foggy start here Friday along the coast as well as over the interior. Later, partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the mid to upper 20s for the southwestern coast, but warming up over the interior with temperatures in the lower to mid 30s, 34 the afternoon in Laingsburg. Also warming up in the Little Karoo as well as the Great Karoo with temperatures in the mid 30s, but partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the mid 20s for the southern coastline. A southwesterly wind blowing fresh at times along the eastern coast, otherwise we're expecting partly cloudy skies with isolated showers and thunderstorms later possible around the escarpment and south of the escarpment, temperatures in the upper 20s and reaching 30 the afternoon in Queenstown. In KwaZulu-Natal, scattered thunderstorms possible into the afternoon over the western regions, quickly warming up in the north with temperatures above 30, otherwise isolated showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the province. A foggy start here Friday over the Highveld, later isolated showers and thunderstorms possible, but becoming scattered over the extreme southern regions. A southeasterly wind still blowing in the low velds of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Temperatures in the lower to mid 30s for most parts of Limpopo, with only a 30% chance of thunderstorms bubbling up over the central parts as well as the bushveld. In northwest, partly cloudy skies with only a 10% chance of thunderstorms over the northeastern regions, otherwise temperatures in the lower to mid 30s but above 35 here over the western regions with 37 in Taung. In the Northern Cape, another scorching hot afternoon, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over most parts of the province, reaching 38 the afternoon in Upington, 39 in Kimberley. Southwesterly winds blowing fresh at times with a high fire danger in place over parts of the Northern Cape as well as the Free State, so please be careful. Fog adverts over the eastern areas of the Free State, later temperatures in the lower to mid 30s with 35 the afternoon in Bloemfontein. In Gauteng, partly cloudy skies and warming up to 31 in Pretoria, 31 in Vereeniging as well, and only a 30% chance of thunderstorms over the northern regions of Gauteng on Friday afternoon. This weekend remaining extremely hot over the western parts of the country, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and reaching 40 degrees Celsius in parts of the Northern Cape. Only a few isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over the eastern parts of the country, with temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius in and around Gauteng. On Sunday, we are expecting isolated thunderstorms over the central parts of the country, also extending here over parts of the Karoo, remaining extremely hot over the western parts of the country. Temperatures yet again soaring above 40 degrees Celsius in parts of the Northern Cape. A windy afternoon expected in Cape Town, partly cloudy skies over the eastern parts of the country with temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.